G'day all. Here I've got a large scale Taro Stirling engine. I'm just going to put some metho in the burner. I'm going to see if it's got enough power to run this Wilesco, would be a steam hammer. Just start it up. It's lit. Okay, the flame's under there. So I'm going to see if it will run this. Just disconnect this gear. So this has got this little lever here. It's quite simple, it just runs off that. There's a notch here in the flywheel that disengages and engages it. So that's engaged, that's disengaged. So that's disengaged now. I'll just put that flame, center that flame a bit better. So when it's engaged, yeah, I don't know, it might have enough power, but we'll see in a minute. These Taros are really nice. It's always a pleasure to get this out and have a spin on this. Very nicely made. I'll put a number of hours on this now. Just give you a look from this side. You can see in here, you can see how well made it is. I've had this for about 3 years now and the brass is still nice and shiny. Very lightly oil this, but there's a fair bit of work in this. So, and they're well made. Just keep that centered nice. Should be getting there now. Alright. See, so just make sure that gear is disengaged. Alright, so the Stirling engine's running well. Hit this gear in. Oh, so far so good. Oh, gears come off. Okay, that gears keeps coming off. Stay on your bugger. Now you can see it working. I'll just do it again. Kick it in. See how it's working its way back. No, it still wants to work its way up, but at least it's working. The Taro's pulling it. Well, that's a bit annoying, isn't it? Well, there we have it, the Taro large scale Stirling engine. It's sort of successful. I'll do this a few more times, a little bit irritating, but it definitely doesn't want to stay on. Just give you a close up in there what it's doing. Just get that in focus. Come on, focus, focus. No, it doesn't want to focus in there. Maybe that will do it. Well, it's got enough power to do it, and I'm surprised with that. And I might have a look at this and might be able to do another video, but as always, thanks for watching. Bye now.